Now what if you want to update an item in the database? So let's say we want to update this particular or let us update this item only, the first one, or we can change something in the middle, like we want to change this particular item, and we'll change it to, instead of John Doe, we'll have it Michael Doe, and let us just run it. So let us go back to the code. So how basically to update it? So now if you go to the SQLite, we'll just check the update code here. So this basically, yeah, so whatever object you pass, it will check with the primary key and update it. So basically the reference is the primary key. So let us go ahead in the context service, and it will be very much similar to the delete contact only. So update contact, and it will be update. There's nothing much out here. So this is like you are updating a single contact here. Now go to the main scene. Instead of delete contact, update, just on update contact button click, and we have to pass the ID, and I am going to, instead of John Doe, we'll change it to Michael Doe. So we'll just copy it here. We can just copy this row only, no need to basically. So we'll have it here. So instead of John Doe, Michael Doe, and save it. We'll change the email also, and maybe if we want to from London, we can send the person to China, and we'll send him to Singapore. So this is the update which we are going to do, and we are going to call the update contact method here. Now click on save. Make sure that you build it and check whether there is any compilation error. So the build is successful. Go to the Unity editor, add a button for update contact. Okay, so see, like I have not stopped, and I have tried to make some changes here. What will happen now is, when I stop, these changes are going to get lost. That is how Unity works. So make sure you don't make that mistake. It is very easy to do that. So, but you should like just avoid that. This is update contact button, and we have this here, and now click on this update button and make the change here. Update contact button, click. So yeah, now let us run this. What we can do is clear the console. Let us run the app. So we'll just refresh the database and see. Now we are making changes to this one. Okay, the ID is 5, and what we have done is we have actually passing 2 as the ID, but we don't have the parameter 2. So what we can do is, like, we'll just change this to 5 and then restart the app, because now we have it will get recompiled because of that particular change, and we'll run this app again. Now let us do an update contact. So it has updated one row. Let us see what has happened in the database. So it has changed. It has changed the city and the email also. So this single update has worked, where we have basically made an update for a single application, or rather the single row.